Las Vegas, new owners, they're soon going to take over the Venetian, also the Sands Expo and the Convention Center as well. The Sands Corporation agreeing to sell its last two properties for more than $6 billion. And 13 Action News anchor Ross DiMattei now joins us live with a closer look at the new owners here, Ross.
That's right, Todd. The Sands Corporation released a statement saying the reason why they're leaving Las Vegas right now is to focus more on their markets in Asia, specifically in Macau and Singapore. So let's focus on the new property owners who bought up these two properties on the Las Vegas Strip. Starting with New York City-based Apollo Global Management, which is paying $2.25 billion for Venetian's operating company. So essentially, Apollo's investment managers will now be managing and overseeing all of the operations at the Venetian. Meanwhile, Vici Properties, which is also based in New York, is paying $4 billion to buy the land and the real estate assets in this deal. So the real estate investment trust will own the physical land and properties at the Venetian and the Sands Expo and Convention Center. In total, this deal is worth $6.25 billion. And financial analyst Steve Budin says the Sands Corporation did well for itself in this deal, while he thinks the buyers are certainly betting big on Las Vegas to bounce back from this pandemic.
The company that made the purchase is taking a big bet. Las Vegas Sands got a really good price for these properties. So the company that bought it clearly feels Vegas is going to come back and then some as the pandemic subsides.
Now, I did reach out to all three of the parties involved in this deal. I am still waiting to hear back from Apollo. Vici said it's in the midst of an equity raise, so it can't yet comment. And the Sands Corporation echoed that sentiment, saying they are not granting interviews at this time and directing us to their press release. Now, I did also ask Steve Budin, that financial analyst there, how this could impact the thousands of Sands employees based here in Las Vegas. He has an opinion on whose job may be safe and whose job may be on the chopping block. That's coming up tonight at 6. We're live off the Las Vegas Strip. Ross DiMattei, 13 Action News.
All right, Ross, big changes here in our valley.